Uploadcare made a brand new uploader that is fully customizable. The new uploader is built with web components and part of the Uploadcare blocks components. To get started, you need to install the Uploadcare blocks with the following command and add types configuration to tsconfig.json in the root of the project. Then, we'll create a small component for the Uploadcare file uploader called Uploadcare Uploader. First off, we need to import lr from @uploadcare/blocks and call register blocks on it. This is needed so we can register the components that are going to be used in this Uploadcare Uploader React component. Now we get to the fun part. First off, we wrap everything into a section HTML element. This can be some other element of your choice, and we set a CSS variable with our Uploadcare project API key. The LR file uploader regular provides the actual UI for uploading files, and LR data output is there so we can track what gets uploaded and taken down by the user in the UI. As you can notice, both of these elements have the class attribute and the uploader CFG value. This is because Uploadcare blocks are customized via CSS. We put the CSS in Uploadcare Uploader CSS and imported it at the top. Uploadcare will take care of the uploading for you and make it faster with its uploading network. It works like CDN. All files, in this case, images, are rendered in the gallery below the uploader. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.